Welcome back to the channel, guys. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Due to time constraints, I'm bringing you the shortest YouTube video ever on my channel. Yeah, you heard that right. So without further ado, let's get started. So we have been working on Cheese Grater for about 3 years now. And we've got the motor in, we're working on the wire. Last week's video was all about the LS EFI wiring harness. And the biggest thing I got to do right now is work on routing the wiring harness so it doesn't burn anything up. Well, this thing is nitpicking me to death. The injector harness was wrong. The IAT valve was wrong. The IAC valve is $130 for an IAC valve. Yeah, it's just one thing right after another. So I don't have all of the parts ready or available to make a full-length video on doing that. I could do the other wiring harness, but really I want to get the engine harness done first. And yeah, we'll go from there. I want to get it done and get the wires routed so that way I can work on all the other, routing on the truck itself too. So it's been, you can see it in the background here. There's Cheese Grater. But yeah, I just didn't have a lot of time. I had to work 10 days straight. And the older I get, the tireder I am. And when I was off for had a little 3-day break, yeah, it didn't happen. I had to do other things and had other commitments that I had to do. So I didn't have time to do a full-length video this week. But I wanted to get y'all some content out, maybe kind of like a behind the scenes about what I'm running into and the problems I got. But we're not giving up, I guess that's about it. Let me show you, kind of give you a picture of what we're looking at here. Well, I say that. I'm also trying a new. So we got that in. That's the IAC. And we got this, which is the idle air control valve. That's crazy expensive. But you just see how these wires are just laying here. I want to get them wrapped. I don't know what it just did. Well, there we go. All right, guys. This thing is really acting funny, so we're just going to end the video right there. Can you believe it? How short this video is. I appreciate y'all watching. Comment, like, subscribe. A lot of my stuff is bought off of Amazon. I'm going to put a link to my Amazon parts in the description. So that way, if y'all ever order from Amazon, you click on my link, it'll take you to the parts that I've ordered and what I've used. And yeah, maybe that'll help y'all out. All right, guys, appreciate it. See y'all next week. Again, comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Just do it. Worry about it later. See ya.